Guys, there is a service in MTN that allows you to earn and while saving. In this service, you can save a minimum of 1,000 and you're going to earn 9% per month. So I think this is the best way you can earn money through savings in MTN. Of course, you know anything to do with MTN is free, safe, and it is you to make your decision whether to withdraw it or not to withdraw. So in the next video, I am going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get started with this service in MTN that allows you to save a minimum of 1,000 and earn 9%. That is a maximum that you're going to earn in this service in MTN mobile money. Now, if you want to get that and not to miss, please don't forget to click on the subscription button, turn on the bell icon so that when I publish this video, YouTube will notify you about this video so that you can also watch when you don't miss it. Now, in that video, I am going to give you a detailed information and also what you're going to earn from this service if you invest, like if you save. It is a savings, not investment. So if you save, you're going to earn what you're going to earn. And in this service also, you can as well do a fixed savings where you can like save a fixed freeze some money, like a minimum of 50,000 I think, but of course in the next video we are going to review it. Now you can do that and you earn, like you fix it, like you can save for 1 month, 3 months, just like that. Then per month your money will be deposited in that account in MTN mobile money. So you can use any phone. Like if you have this phone, it is still fine. If you have a smartphone, it is still fine. So you can do it with any phone that you have. Are you not eager? Are you not happy for that video? So don't forget to like, subscribing to this YouTube channel and turning on the bell icon. So that is what you're going to do, real, legit, and free. You can withdraw your money at any time that you need and you use it, like the previous video that I talked about, yinvesta. So this is the best way we can earn with MTN mobile money. Let's meet in that video.